can LinkedIn really help your business? I get this question often, and in this video, I want to walk you through 5 ways LinkedIn can help your business, whether you are new to the platform or really experienced with LinkedIn. Tip number 5 is a hidden benefit of being on LinkedIn that you absolutely want to tap into. If you're ready, click that like button and let's get straight to it. So the first way LinkedIn can help your business is searchability. LinkedIn ranks extremely high on Google. When somebody Googles your name or Googles your business, your LinkedIn profile or company page is one of the first results that shows up on the page. A well-optimized LinkedIn presence is going to boost your authority and credibility instantly. If prospects, partners, or even new talent comes across your LinkedIn page, it's going to give them a clear first impression of who you are. Utilizing LinkedIn for your business ensures that when people Google you, you own the narrative. The second way LinkedIn can help your business is to attract new clients through organic and direct outreach. LinkedIn is one of the most powerful platforms for business owners. In fact, there is more money exchanged on LinkedIn business to business than any other social platform, period. So LinkedIn can help you get leads and clients. And we've seen this firsthand at our company Pima. Not only have we scaled our agency to the 40th fastest growing marketing agency in the US by Inc. magazine, we've also helped 1,000+ companies utilize LinkedIn to scale their lead flow and their client base. I say all of that to say, LinkedIn is one of the best platforms for attracting new leads and clients. Whether you are a service provider, which for sure you need to be on LinkedIn, but even if you are offering products to your customers, you can showcase your products, testimonials, and reviews through organic posts. And for B2B service providers, you can utilize direct outreach to message your ideal prospects and pitch your new offers or even invite them to a call. LinkedIn lets you build relationships at scale, and it is by far the #1 platform you need to be on to grow your business. The third way LinkedIn can help your business is positioning you as a thought leader. LinkedIn has become a creator platform. So through consistent posting, things like a newsletter or articles, case studies, team wins, or behind-the-scenes snapshots, positions you and your business as trusted experts. And thought leadership isn't just a buzzword that's used. Truly, LinkedIn is the way for you to build your business brand on the platform with billions of users to get eyeballs to what you all are doing. If you are currently posting on Facebook, Instagram, X, maybe even TikTok, start to repost to LinkedIn to truly build your thought leadership. And LinkedIn can only help your business be positioned as a thought leader in the industry if you are actively posting content. Really quick, if you're watching this and you're like, okay, Cindy, I'm ready to take LinkedIn seriously, I created something just for you. It's called the LinkedIn Launch Guide, and it's completely free. Inside, I break down exactly how to revamp your profile, how to grow your network and visibility fast, how to create content that actually gets seen and positions you as a thought leader, because not all types of content is good content, and how to position yourself for your next best opportunity. If you're trying to get more clients or simply grow your thought leadership, you need to get this free guide. Just click the link in the description of this video or comment LinkedIn and I'll send it straight to you. The fourth way that LinkedIn can help your business is recruiting top talent. In my business, I personally have utilized LinkedIn Jobs, and it's exposed me to incredible talent that is available on the platform. Great people want to work at great brands. And on LinkedIn, there's actively amazing candidates that are looking for companies like yours to be a part of. Here's how you can tap into a huge pool of amazing candidates on LinkedIn. You can actively post a job through LinkedIn Jobs, see this as your typical job board, or you can simply make a post on LinkedIn, let your network know that you are hiring for a new position, give them some details, and ask them to share it with their network. Not only by you just posting about it will you get so many eyeballs on your post, now that you've shared it with your network, the word will start to spread. And now you're tapping into the talent pools of people in your network as well. So definitely utilize LinkedIn as a way to get amazing talent onto your team. And last but not least, and this is by far my favorite area that LinkedIn can truly help your business and you as a business owner, and that is LinkedIn can open doors to strategic partnerships, PR, and other amazing opportunities. There's something to be said of simply being active on LinkedIn. Since I've been active on the platform, I have booked speaking engagements, got to collaborate with LinkedIn, the company, been invited to be on podcasts and sit in on amazing events. And all of those amazing opportunities came by me simply being active and visible on the platform. I firmly believe your personal brand is tied to your company's brand. So as the leader of your company, being the face of the brand and being active on LinkedIn will also attract new opportunities into the business, all without spending money or running ads. That, my friends, is the power of LinkedIn. And those were the 5 ways that LinkedIn can help your business. I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, would you give it a thumbs up? It helps so much. Ask me any questions that you have about LinkedIn in the comments of this video. I'll be actively in the comments responding to them as they come in. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos on how to master LinkedIn. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.